Hello, this is Anthony, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to link your Blogger account into your new domain. Okay, so stay tuned. First thing is to log in your Blogger account and go to settings, then click on it. The next step is to scroll down to publishing and click on custom domain. After that, you go back to where you bought your domain from. Like me, I bought mine from namecheap.com, so I'll go to namecheap.com and I'll go to accounts, click on accounts, click on domain lists. So after clicking that, the list of my domains will appear here, as you can see. So iTonyBlog is active, so I'll click on manage, which will take me to this page where I'll click on advanced DNS. After that, it will take me to this page, but before then I will have to copy my name, itonyblog.com, then paste it on Blogger. But before pasting it, I have to put www. Then paste the word itonyblog.com. Then it will show me this page or this information, which I will now copy the first 3 letters. After copying the www, then I'll go back to Namecheap and scroll down to add new record. So click on add new record and go to CNAME record. Yeah. So make sure you paste the www, but make sure that there's no space, right? So after that, you go back again to Blogger and copy the menu stuff. So this now is general for everybody, so no need to just copy it and paste it there. So after this, the next step now is the most important after you saved it. So click on save, then add new record again. So same procedure, click on CNAME record and go back to Google and copy this most important information because it's different from everybody's own. After you've copied it, you go back and paste it on the hosts section for hosts. Okay, so once you click on it, paste it there, be sure there is no space, then you go back again and continue the rest. Make sure you make no mistake, copy it as it is, then go back and save it. So paste it on the value and click on save. After that, you save it, then the next step is to go back to Google Blogger and click on save because you already pasted the domain name there already. So click on save and it will start functioning, but it's only function after 1 hour. Okay, so now we have to accept this redirect domain, switch it on, save it, and let's try and see whether the blog will show. It won't display because we just did it, so we have to wait for like 1 hour at least before we can retry it again, just like I just did. Okay, so that's it. If you still find it difficult to operate, I'll leave the necessary steps in a link below where you can just follow it accordingly on my blog. Okay, and aside that, just leave your question in the comment section. Okay, thank you. See you next time.